Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a journal with me video where I don't journal at all. But yeah, so it's early in the morning. I've still been trying to keep up with, being up in the morning before I go to work so that I can get some of these pages done, at least decorated maybe, so that I can then come in here, the next day. Usually I don't come in here when I get home from work because I'm super tired, so. Oops, come on now. So, yep, I just, this is going to be a short video because I'm running a little late. Not too late, but, anyhow. So, yeah. So right now I'm just matting these little pictures of our new place to get them put into the book because they're going on a blue background and the pictures are quite blue hued. I don't know why. I have the worst luck with pictures. I don't know what my problem is, but anyway. A photographer I am not. So, and I do not play one on TV. So I'm just roughly cutting these out. Don't normally do that either because I'm terrible at that as well. So anyway, welcome. I hope y'all are doing well. I thought I'd throw this in here in between some of the Creative Cousins journals. Currently, it is, what time is it? I mean, well, it's like 6 a.m., but currently it is the 7th. Is it? Oh, gosh. The 7th of October? I don't even know, guys. I don't even know. Okay. That can go there. And then this can go here. So normally on these videos, I just kind of decorate up some pages. I have not been in here for a bit because, yeah, I guess that can go right there. I don't know. And then I might do something across the top there, like new beginnings or something like that. Something like that. So, excuse the reach. I'm going to get my glue here and put this on as a pocket. If my glue comes out. Yeah. Yeah, it's not clogged, so I don't know what the deal is. Ah, there we go. Okay. So get this put on here. Like I said, I don't really have a lot of time this morning. But of late, I've been so involved in getting the Creative Cousins journal out. And so those are pretty much a lot of the videos that have been coming out. If you want to, see more about that, I do have a playlist that I will link down below. I'm going to put this on as a little pocket. There we go. And I'll have to search my... Let me see. I might have it in here. This right here. Okay. Oh, let me see. I'm searching for... That's cute, though. I'm searching for some, like, summery-looking washi. Maybe it's in here. I don't know. I'll have to look and see because I know I have it somewhere. Anyway. Okay, well, it's not there. I just wanted to put a little something down here. Now, what I'm going to do for this, I think, hopefully, if this fits. If it doesn't, we'll just have to cut it down a bit or something. Oh, no, look at that. Okay, that fits okay. It'll go in there, okay? It says sit back and relax, and yeah, I want to use, these are the notepads that I get at the Dollar Tree, and I do just really enjoy using them. So what I like to do is glue 2 of them together so that I have a front and a back area to write on. And this was the weekend of, let me think, does it say? Yeah, October, oh man. It was the weekend of October 4th, whenever that was. And we went up to do a house inspection on the new place, and that went really well. And it was also my in-laws' 56th wedding anniversary, so that was fun. Okay. Oh, that didn't come out even at all, but that's okay. No big deal. No big deal. Doesn't matter at all. I can choose to leave it like that or cut it. It doesn't matter. Okay, so there's that. So see, now I have a double-sided little tag that I can use, and then it can go right in there, okay? And what I might do, I know I have one somewhere, is, aha, right here. I have one of these, this tab thing to make these tabs out of. Now, the tricky part is that, I mean, you can do them one at a time, but I like to actually fold the strip of paper, you know? I like to fold it, stick it in here so that the fold is not being cut off, and then I have a foldable tab. So anyway, if you're interested in that, I will put a link down below. I got it off of Amazon, so, and then that can just go right there, right? So super cute. But you know what I'm gonna do first is I'm probably gonna ink this up. So let's get the old Inkarooski out. And we'll ink this tag up. And I don't care that it's uneven. It doesn't bother me. And I'm a very messy inker, which also does not bother me. So, but this little notepad, it just says, you know, tropical, I guess. So yeah, very exciting. So I'm gonna note on, you know, the journaling here when I get a chance to do it, that we had the home inspection, and also that it was my in-laws' 56th wedding anniversary, which is such a testimony to us. We are just so thankful for, you know, their godly example. So, okay. So this, I think, is just gonna go right there. Just stick that on there like that. There we go. We should have gotten pictures. Ugh, I'm so bad at that, you know? I mean, these pictures here like came from the website, but I'm so bad about taking pictures of family events and all, you know? Okay, so anyway, that goes in there, and then I'm gonna put something somewhere across here. But let's just see, what was the date? It was a Saturday, so World Farm Animals Day. There were no farm animals involved. So this was Saturday, October 2nd. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on here. Like I said, this is gonna be a short and sweet video because I gotta get ready to go to work. But I usually come in here in the mornings. I don't usually film, so, but I do usually come in here in the mornings and work on my book. I am, as of right now, I am not staying all too current as I was, because the last few weekends I haven't been able to work on it. So, whoops, whoa, just dumped that on my desk. Oh well. Yeah, I haven't been able to stay current because we've been busy and, you know, not in town and all that kind of jazz. So I just haven't had time to be in here. So we'll just put that right down there. Okay, I've got a lot of stuff on my desk. As usual. Ooh, don't dump the coffee. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, that's what's been going on here. Just trying to get some stuff done. I think I'm gonna glue this down over here. This was a Friday and I wasn't feeling all that great. I really was tired. I'd stayed up too late the night before, chatting with my daughter. I really can't stay up late. Well, I can, I shouldn't stay up late on school nights, you know, because then that just makes me super tired in the morning, and that is no bueno for having to go to work, you know? So, whoops, let's scooch this over. So I was wishing that I was in this bed. I can tell you that right now, okay? So there's that. I don't know if I'm gonna put some kind of background here or not. I'm just not sure. Saturday, okay. This was Sunday. This was the day we came home. This was yesterday. So I'm gonna put one of these. These are beautiful little Post-its. But let's see. I think first I do want to put down some of this pretty color here. I'll just put some right down the center. It goes on very wet. These are the Dabo inks, and they are what I use as daubers now, and I really do enjoy them. Very much so. They're just a lot of fun. They're just a lot of fun, and add, you know, they just add some really nice bright color to the page. So there's that. Now that's gonna dry for a second. It doesn't really take all that long to dry, and it does seep through to the other side at times. I don't really care. The paper that I have in this journal is like an old, it's not like vintage or anything, but it's an old, like, I don't even know, like a newsletter from, I don't know, from the Keys. So I still need to add a little bit on here. Let's see if we have a beach girl in here. I doubt it, but we'll see while this is drying. There's a lot of, these are like fashion stickers, and they are super cute. I got them on Amazon too. I will link them below. I wanted to see if there was like a little beach girl, but I don't know. So a lot of wintry. That's cute. What does that say? Garden textile. I mean, that's kind of cute. I don't know. We'll see about that one. Yeah, I'll put the link below for these. Oh, look, there's a dude and a girl. That's cute. Oh, there's a girl going to Starbucks. Huh. These are really cute. Yeah. I like them because of the size. Oh, that's cute there. Maybe I'll put that one. Here's another one. Gingham chalk? I don't know. Gingham check? Oh, maybe that's what it is, because she's wearing gingham. Okay, a little rainy day one with an umbrella. That's cute. Yeah, I mainly got them for the size because they're, you know, they're not tiny little girls. They're, oh, look at that. That's cute. I could put that like on this page because we're watching Aladdin in school. Excuse me. Okay. Let's see here. I don't really see a beach going one. but that's okay. We didn't go to the beach, but oh, that's pretty. Oh, cat lady. Maybe that one. That one's cute. These are all really cute. Just fun ones. I think I'll just use that other one. Yep. Okay, so put the, look at that card too. I mean, this right here, you know, if it's not too glary, I could use that, huh? That's fun. Okay, so there we go. This is gonna go on here somewhere because my husband got a pineapple at the store and he is saving the top for me to plant in my little pineapple garden. So I think we'll put this little one over here, and that will end my little video here because I gotta go get ready for work. Okay, sorry for the reach there. Okay. I think, maybe we'll put her right here. Will she go there? Yep. Okay, that's cute. Okay. Cap all of our stuff so nothing dries out. Cap that. Put the lid in this or the pin in it so it doesn't dry out. Okay, there we go. So there, at least I got some things glued down. Made this, I still want to either put happy anniversary or inspection day or whatever, and then I'll write about it inside there. And then this is Monday's page, a little Aladdin girl because that's what we're watching at school, and a pineapple because I'm going to add to my little pineapple plantation in the backyard. And there's that. So there you have it. I thank you for sharing your time with me. I hope you enjoyed that. Just wanted to throw in a little journal with me video. Yeah, so I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.